Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw the headphones, so let's get begin. First I draw the two curves line. Then I make the square at the end of the corners. Friends, are you drawing the headphones with me? And don't worry if the headphone is not going to be perfect. It takes some practice to make the drawing perfect. Now I'm going to draw the headphones. Now I take the black marker to enhance the outer lines of the headphones.
Her dress was made of crimson, jet black was her hair. She asked me for my nutmeg and my golden pear.
Wow friends, the headphone looks so amazing. Now let's come and color the headphones together. I take the light blue colors to color the headphone top.
Never did I see. I'll give you all the fruit from my lips.
I love coloring and painting. Do you? And I take the yellow colors to color the squares.
I danced over the water. I danced over
Now I color with gray.
and all the birds in the air couldn't catch me. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been up.
Lastly, I color the headphones with dark blue.
Pussycat, pussycat, what did you do there? I frightened a little mouse under her chair. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been up to London to visit the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you do there? I frightened a little mouse under her chair.
Yes friends, the headphone looks so amazing. If you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.
Merry, merry